Hey, it's Egardos, and in this video I'm going to show you how to launch a high converting funnel in less than 10 minutes, even if you've never built one before. And the best part, I'm giving you exact templates and emails 100% free. Funnels can be overwhelming, multiple pages, automations, email sequences. But what if you could skip all the tech stress and just plug into done for you system? That's exactly what I've built for you. So inside my funnel starter pack, you will get 3 plug and play funnels, including lead gen, sales, course, and also affiliate funnel template. I made a video about this affiliate funnel template last week. Also, email swipe bundle ready to send. And it's all built on system.io, my favorite free all-in-one marketing platform. Let me show you how easy it is. Click import funnel, for example, import a lead gen funnel. So it's in progress, so we click refresh. And then go inside on the squeeze page, edit page, update your logo and text for your own lead magnet. If you don't have one, you can easily find some online googling PLR ebooks, or you can ask ChatGPT to make one for your niche. It's really simple. Also, sales and course funnels are made the same way. You just have to change your own text with your own lead magnet product or course. For lead magnet, you can also edit thank you page, and you can add some affiliate links in your thank you page. Like below the download button, you can add another section with some of your affiliate offers if you have some. Here in download button you can add your file, your lead magnet, and then also go back to squeeze page, automation rules, and we can add rule when funnel step subscribed, funnel form subscribed, action is to send email. Click on plus sign and back to import page. You can see download email swipe bundle, and there is also sample emails for lead generation and sales and course as well. So for example, here is subject, your free lead magnet is here. You go in the subject, here you will enter your lead magnet's name and copy and paste this part here. Also edit with your links and everything. First name you can leave as it is if you have first name in your lead magnet page. We will double check it again. Yes, we have first name, so you can leave it there. Don't forget to edit your URL path here, something like free ebook or whatever you want. Already exists. So yeah, something that doesn't exist. And boom, you got the live funnel ready to go. And the same goes for sales funnel and for course funnel. Yeah. Remember, on a thank you page you can easily promote any affiliate product, either digital download or any freebie. So this is perfect if you are a beginner with no tech background, a creator who wants a faceless system, or someone tired of starting from scratch every time. Want to grab the funnel starter pack? Click the link in description. It's free and you'll be live in minutes. Don't build from zero, start with the system. And if you want more plug and play funnels, swipe files, and digital products, subscribe to the channel. Let's help you build smarter, not harder.